Okay, so we're changing foot pegs out to floorboards on 2024 Indian Scott Rogue Bobber. Alright, so taking the factory coil ring off of this peg, it can be a pain. So what I found the easiest way to do here is to take the hammer and just kind of tap this pin back a little bit to where it starts to go through, then bring it back out. That'll free up your snap ring. Don't worry about ruining it, because the ones I have had replacement snap rings anyway. So once you take that off, pull that apart. These ones have a little insert in here, you put that in. These also have the little pins for, so you know if you're leaning too far, kind of a scraping mechanism. Tighten these up. You put these in there, just kind of work them in, a little snug fit. Get your pin to line up. Once that comes through, have your snap ring pliers ready. Little baby snap ring here. There you go, installed. Repeat that on the other side. Total job probably take you 15 minutes, half hour if you have all your tools ready and you don't fight with that little factory spring too long. Hope this helped, guys. Okay, here's the finished product. These are just an Amazon brand I found on there, but they're very nice. They even come with a little Indian emblem you put in there. Like I said, not a bad install once you figure out that little snap ring from the factory. But they turned out pretty nice. Thanks for watching.